Schedule 1. Oath/affirmation of judges. I, blank, do hereby swear/solemnly affirm that as a judge of the Republic of Namibia, I will defend and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Namibia as the supreme law and will fearlessly administer justice to all persons without favor or prejudice and in accordance with the laws of the Republic of Namibia. In the case of an oath, so help me God. Schedule 2 is substituted by the Namibian Constitution, 3rd Amendment, Act 8 of 2014. The format of the headings of Part A and Part B is inconsistent in Act 8 of 2014, but here the format of the headings of both parts has been made consistent with that of the other schedules. Part A. Oath or affirmation of the Vice President, Prime Minister, and Deputy Prime Minister. I, blank, do hereby swear/solemnly affirm that I will strive to the best of my ability to uphold, protect, and defend as the supreme law the Constitution of the Republic of Namibia, and faithfully to obey, execute, and administer the laws of the Republic of Namibia. That I will protect the independence, sovereignty, territorial integrity, and the material and spiritual resources of the Republic of Namibia. That I will not divulge directly or indirectly any matters brought before the Cabinet and entrusted to me under secrecy, and that I will endeavor to the best of my ability to ensure justice for all the inhabitants of the Republic of Namibia, to deputize, assist, and advise the President, and to perform the duties of my office and the functions entrusted to me by the President conscientiously and to the best of my ability. So help me God, /I so affirm. The blank space in the oath/affirmation of the name should be followed by a comma, since it is preceded by a comma. Part B. Oath or affirmation of ministers and deputy ministers. I, blank, do hereby swear/solemnly affirm that I will be faithful to the Republic of Namibia, hold my office as minister/deputy minister with honor and dignity, uphold, protect, and defend the Constitution, and faithfully obey, execute, and administer the laws of the Republic of Namibia, serve the people of Namibia to the best of my ability, not divulge directly or indirectly any matters brought before the Cabinet and entrusted to me under secrecy, and perform the duties of my office and the functions entrusted to me by the President conscientiously and to the best of my ability. So help me God, /I so affirm. In the oaths/affirmations in the other schedules to the Constitution, the blank space for the name is offset by commas. Schedule 3. Oath/affirmation of members of the National Assembly and the National Council. I, blank, do hereby swear/solemnly affirm that I will be faithful to the Republic of Namibia and its people, and I solemnly promise to uphold and defend the Constitution and laws of the Republic of Namibia to the best of my ability. In the case of an oath, so help me God. Schedule 4. Election of members of the National Assembly. 1. For the purpose of filing the 96 seats in the National Assembly pursuant to the provisions of Article 46, 1A hereof, the total number of valid votes cast in a general election for these seats shall be divided by 96, and the result shall constitute the quota of valid votes per seat. Paragraph 1 is amended by the Namibian Constitution, 3rd Amendment, Act 8 of 2014. The amendment markings in Act 8 of 2014 are incorrect in part. 2. The total number of votes cast in favor of a registered political party which offers itself for this purpose shall be divided by the quota of votes per seat, and the result shall, subject to paragraph 3, constitute the number of seats to which the political party shall be entitled in the National Assembly. 3. Where the formula set out in paragraph 2 yields a surplus fraction not absorbed by the number of seats allocated to the political party concerned, such surplus shall compete with other similar surpluses accruing to any other political party or parties participating in the election, and any undistributed seat or seats, in terms of the formula set out in paragraph 2, shall be awarded to the party or parties concerned in sequence of the highest surplus. In the event of a tie of surpluses, and as a result of such tie the undistributed seat cannot be awarded, then the undistributed seat will be awarded by lot. Paragraph 3 is amended by the Namibian Constitution, 3rd Amendment, Act 8 of 2014. 4. Subject to the requirements pertaining to the qualification of members of the National Assembly, a political party which allows for seats in terms of paragraphs 2 and 3 shall be free to choose in its own discretion which persons to nominate as members of the National Assembly to fill the said seats. 5. Provision shall be made by Act of Parliament for all parties participating in an election of members of the National Council to be represented at all material stages of the election process, and to be afforded a reasonable opportunity for scrutinizing the counting of the votes cast in such election. That is all for part 1 of the schedules of the Namibian Constitution. If you enjoyed this video, if you found any value in it, then make sure to like and share. And of course, subscribe to the channel to track each part and each chapter in the Namibian Constitution playlist. Until the next one.